Very interesting.
So we are really excited about Geek Week. Can you tell? But Geek Week is not all excitement and fun. Sometimes Geek Week is about weird things that happen in space that if you anthropomorphize them, they make you feel sad about your family. For example, regard this tiny, tiny little planet. It's a tiny little planet that is being eaten by its mother. The planet is WASP 12b, some 600 light years away from us. It is so close to its parent star, to its mom, that it takes only 26 hours to orbit around that star. We, Earth, take 365 days to orbit around our sun. Little WASP 12b takes 26 hours. WASP 12b has a surface temperature that is about 2,800 degrees Fahrenheit. That is hotter than anything this side of the Milky Way. Little WASP 12b doesn't have much longer to live, maybe only 10 million more years before its mother eats it. It's very Medea. Then there's NASA's Phoenix Mars lander, which descended upon the red planet exactly 2 years ago. We sent it there. It made it. It landed. The lander found water, found ice, found soil chemistry with, quote, significant implications for life. But 5 months into the mission, Phoenix stopped being heard from. We never heard from it again, despite hundreds of our attempts to make contact. Now we have learned what happened. NASA just released this rather disturbing picture, contrasting Phoenix in 2008 to Phoenix now. Now, apparently, what these little dots mean is that it has severe ice damage, because it was never meant to withstand a Martian winter. NASA scientists gave the lander a eulogy, though, through Twitter. Sleep well at Mars Phoenix. One chapter ends, but more waits to be written with the science you returned. So we got mom eating child, orphan abandoned, and finally a dignified send-off. After 25 years, 32 missions, and close to 120 million miles of space travel, the shuttle Atlantis is gearing up for its final landing tomorrow at Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Seems like just yesterday Atlantis arrived. There's nothing inherently sad about any of these things in space, unless you anthropomorphize things in space and spacecraft, which of course is humanly unavoidable if you have even the tiniest little bit of inner geek. More Geek Week ahead.